You don't need to remodel your entire house to get top dollar. You just need to prepare strategically. I'm Jeffrey Hoffmann. When it comes to selling, small improvements make a huge impact. Start by decluttering and depersonalizing. Less is more. Remove excess furniture and personal items so rooms feel larger and buyers can picture their own lives there. Next, refresh your paint and touch up trim. A light neutral color palette brightens spaces and photographs beautifully. Then, boost curb appeal. Mow the lawn, add fresh mulch, and make the entryway inviting. Inside, update lighting and consider light staging. Soft lamps and open blinds make your home feel warm and spacious. Finally, handle minor repairs before listing. Loose handles, squeaky doors, or chipped tiles can create unnecessary doubt. Preparation pays off. If you'd like a copy of my free Prep to List checklist with the exact steps I share with clients, grab it below. And if this helped you, subscribe for more local selling tips.